Here are 5 lunch ideas that my family and I had this past week. If this video is something you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's get into the video. This was just a piragua that I had that was super overpriced, and I just wanted to share with you because it was insane. $8 for this. Like, I don't know what you think, but I thought it was too much. Anyway, let's get started. Lunch ideas. This is the first time I do this. I'm super excited, and it's such a special lunch. So I made some tortillas with only cheese and eggs. So I use the cheese on the bottom, then I put the eggs. You can season them if you want, and then I put another layer of cheese on top. It looks so delicious. Here's the rest of it. And then I did some cherry tomatoes, diced, like cut in 4, and I used olive oil and some salt. I got some Genoa salami and some honey glazed chicken. So that was yummy. Here's the rest of the things that I use. And we're gonna have it with some orange juice and some water. Delicious. Lunch ideas. Today for lunch, I'm sending her some white rice, red beans, and some chicken stew. Arroz blanco, habichuela roja, y pollo guisado. I'm sending her some mini cucumbers and some cherry tomatoes. I drizzled it with olive oil and some light salt. I'm sending her some craisins, this Mott's apple juice, and her water bottle. Enjoy! Lunch ideas. Today I'm sending her some rice and beans because she didn't want chicken stew or meat today. Just wanted to show you that I had this brought a plastic spoon, and she kept losing all of them, so I was able to buy these stainless steel ones, and they're so cute. And it also brings like forks, so today I'm sending her the spoon. And I'm sending her the Horizon organic milk and a cute message on it, of course. Then we have some Mott's apple juice, some water, and a pear that she's been waiting for it to soften up so she could be able to eat it. Keep it simple. Hope you enjoy. Lunch ideas. Today she's going to take rice and beans. We had other options, but she didn't want them. We had some chicken and sausage vegetables and some soup with noodles and vegetables as well, but she chose the rice with the beans. We have the organic Horizon milk with her message of the day. We have an apple juice, a water, some purple grapes, and a banana. Lunch ideas. Today I am sending her some white rice, white beans, and ground beef. So here it is. And I'm also going to send her some red grapes. She really likes these. She's been into them lately instead of the green ones. And I didn't cut them up. I'm also sending her apple juice. I don't send her apple juice all the time. Sometimes I send her orange juice, or I don't send her just the water, and that's it. And a banana. So I hope you enjoy. Lunch ideas. Today I'm sending something different because in the past few days she's been returning about like 50% of what I put in the thermos. So instead of like a heavy meal, she's getting some farina, which is really yummy, just made. We got some water, apple juice, and then to try to balance out all the sugar from the food and the drink, I'm sending her this Argento string cheese. I wanted to send her some, like, I believe they're called Carter crackers, but she didn't like them. She said, I hope you're not sending me that because I don't like it. So anyway, so this is what she's taking for lunch today. Her school does have snacks, so she can be able to pick some healthy, like, fruits or something, and that way she can have something more than just what I'm sending. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to smile.